Think your standard deadbolt is secure? Let's see. With just a hammer and fabric, this intruder starts bypassing the lock, slowly but surely. A simple screwdriver and flashlight manipulate the mechanism, and a thin plastic sheet opens the door completely, leaving your home exposed. But here's the solution. Advanced smart locks with multi-barrel sliding mechanisms and a reinforced deadbolt with 3 latches, built for ultimate security. Watch as our experts install it in record time. This innovative lock doesn't just look cool, it's engineered to keep intruders out. Upgrade your security today.